always be the one you wanna call when it's cold outside. I will always be the one that's right here.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm using nail decals by nailedbychristy.com. I believe that's the URL. If not, I will have the link in the description box where I got these Supreme X LV decals. So I'm just going to start off. She has BeYou long stiletto tips applied, and I prepped her natural nails and dehydrated and primed. So now I'm going in with a very thin layer of clear acrylic on all of the nails. I'm using my Alpha brush, number 10 oval brush. So I'm going to put white acrylic down as my base so that these decals can show up really well on these nails. I'm going to make the ring finger and the thumb completely white, and the rest of the fingers I'm going to fade the white up from the tip of the nail. I already cut out my decal and soaked it in water. Then I pulled it away from the backing and placed it on the nail. Now I'm just going to encapsulate that with clear acrylic. For the ombre decals, I'm using the red ones, and I was trying to use acetone to melt the edges, but they were not melting, so I'm just going to trim them very close to the tip. And I will secure them down with my bead of nude acrylic. This is a homemade mix. I noticed this nude acrylic was setting a lot faster than usual with the monomer that I was using. So if I'm building up the nude a bit high, that's kind of why, because I wasn't able to get a really smooth blend. Yeah, you're just gonna use that bead to lock it down in place and then encapsulate the rest of the nail and clear once you have a smooth ombre. After file shaping and buffing the nails, I'm putting on stones using Zule's Bling adhesive and builder gel. On the thumbs, I'm going to use acrylic to apply my bigger stones.
Close your eyes. Would you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you. I like the chase, and I know you do too. Am I just in love with the idea of you? 'Cause I'd cross a million seas. Would you do that for me? Yeah, I'd fly this whole world twice if I could be your paradise. Close your eyes. Will you dream for me? Some paradise. Tell me who you see, 'cause I think I know what you mean to me. What you mean to me, but does this work? Only 'cause we never say what we think. Waiting for the perfect way. Time zone speak. Got me on delay. 'Cause across a million seas. Would you do that for me?
After my stones have cured into place, I'm going to top coat all of the nails with Madam Glam's No Life Top Coat Gel and cure.
Goddamn road 3 times, and I'd run all the red lights across a million seas just to have you next to me. Paris and Tokyo, I go where I have to go. Screw geography, but would you do that for me?
This is the finished result. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment. Please subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye!